Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download and install Frontier Airline app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, so whichever you have. I'm currently in the App Store, which is of course for iPhone mobile phones, so this video will be made for iPhones only. So now when you go to the App Store, as you can see here, we have the about 5 of the tabs. So we have the Today tab, the Games tab, we have the app where you can check out all of your apps, Arcade, and the search bar at the end, which we of course need. Now when you're in the search bar, what you need to go and type in is of course the name of the app. So it's Frontier Airlines app, so type in FRO, then after that NTI like this, and then Airlines, so you have it like here. As you can see, it is the first of course option. Now as you can see here, you can go and check out the ratings, so you can check out the ratings, age, category, developer, language, and the size of the application. So if everything is of course okay with you, you can then click on get. After that, just double click as you have the instructions. And now of course, if you can of course go and put in your password also, but you can of course just click get. Now double click as I did, your Face ID will then do the rest, and now it will start downloading. Here down, as you can see, you can go and check out what's new, the ratings, reviews, you can see the information, the size of the application, language, add some more information of course. Then when it of course downloads, it will then instantly install itself. As you can see here, you have open, and that's basically that, you have the application installed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.